We are NRM Insurance Agency. We are here to offer you unparalleled insurance coverages that help protect your beloved collection of jewelry and watches. Whether it is a 1.1 carat halo engagement ring or a Hublot steel watch, we've got you covered. Jewelry and watch covers provide worldwide coverage against theft, lost, and accidental damage. You can insure all new and existing jewelry and watches that are in good condition. Have a peace of mind wearing your favorite necklace or prized watch anytime and anywhere. If your jewelry is lost, stolen, or damaged, with jewelry and watch covers, you can make a claim to have your jewelry repaired or replaced. As precious collections can fluctuate in value, jewelry and watch covers includes a complimentary annual revaluation upon each policy renewal. This revaluation ensures your collections are insured at the correct value in the event of loss or damage for the following year. We understand that you have a trusted jeweler or watch boutique and will always suggest that you return to your preferred jeweler watch boutique in the event of a claim for repairs or replacement. The minimum sum insured per item is $2,500, and the total sum insured for all items cannot exceed $50,000. Should you have any collection that is valued above $50,000, do check out our bespoke masterpiece. Jewelry and watch covers is underwritten by Chubb Insurance Singapore and distributed by NRM Insurance Agency. Upon clicking the quote link, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details and the purchase amount of your jewelry or watch. If you're planning to insure multiple items, first declare any item on this step and declare the other items on the following steps. A preliminary quote will be generated based on the inputted amount. You are under no obligation to commit to the insurance application at this point. You'll need to provide more personal details before uploading the documents of all items you wish to insure. We require receipts of purchase, images of the jewelry or watch, certificates or warranty documents, and any appraisal documents. Provide any documents that you have, and we'll contact you if we require more. Jewelry and watch insurance. We've got you covered.